Hey Stash fans, it is Saturday and I opened the GoPro last night, finally got charged. It took a little over 6 hours to charge all the way, and then when I turned it on I had some dead pixels, so I did the update and still nothing. So I went and I exchanged it this morning, and then I recorded, or this one I charged, and it was all done with under 2 hours, so it was good. And I went and did a day motorcycle ride to the dealer, and it was good, worked really good. And then I tried taking a night ride through the desert, but I didn't have it mounted to my bike the right way, and it just flopped around really bad, and so it wasn't good. And also then there was no sound recorded, so that's really strange. I don't know, it was working. Anyway, so we went to the dealer today because they had like a bike wash and a cookout and some raffle prizes. Unfortunately, they didn't do a bike wash because it was in the 50s, no big deal. And they had a scooter they were raffling off, and unfortunately I didn't win, but I won something better. I won 2 box seats to the NHRA drag races, those big deals with the funny cars and everything. It's awesome. And I guess they're not really box seats, it's like a whole VIP pass. It's in a suite in the VIP tower, and apparently I looked it up and it comes with like a catered meal in a climate controlled suite, so that's really cool. And then like the behind the scenes with the VIP, so that's like super excited. And I think I'll probably have more fun with this one day at the races than I would have with a little electric scooter. So very cool, so awesome to ride now. Chandler for giving me those tickets in the raffle. Very excited about that, really excited. I can't wait. And hopefully I can figure out the sound on this camera if it's not working now. If it is working now, good. If it's not, I'll figure it out before tomorrow so I can charge this thing up and take this and have a really good day. It's gonna be awesome. So I hope you guys like. I hope you subscribe. You can find me on Twitter at Mully, and make sure you tune in tomorrow for some footage of the race if all possible.